sets Voler apart from others. Voler is very good at project management, creating products that are easy to manufacture and work well, and we also do innovation on schedule and on budget. The way we do all of this, as I said, is with the project management. This involves first having very good requirements at the beginning, so we understand clearly what we're doing, having excellent communication within our team and with our customer. And we, as part of that, we have a weekly report that shows the status of the project plan versus the actual for the budget and the schedule. There's more pieces to it, but this is the basics of why we do this very well.